Hello, my name is Olesya Nikolenko and I am the owner and creator of Mosaic Professionals. Today I would like to show you how to prepare nails for rebalance like a pro. Always start with a disinfection. Remember that you are responsible for the service you provide, so be accurate with the disinfection. Using pusher, push the cuticles. I use a perfect pusher from Mosaic, which is thinner and sharper than most other pushers, so it allows me to control my preparations better. Using a sapphire cutter bit, I remove the cuticle which is left on the nail. One important thing: when your e-file is rotating clockwise, clean the cuticle from the center to the left. Then you want to switch the reverse, and when it's rotating counterclockwise, move the sapphire cutter from the center to the right. Make this cleaning before you start removing the gel, because the nail is still clean without any dust and it's easy to clean the cuticle area. Now you want some other bigger bit to remove the gel. There are bits like this and like this. The smooth top is safer because the top of this is round. You can use this type of bit to make the nail shorter. Place it perpendicular to the nail and cut it until you reach desired length. Rotation should be set to forward. Now let's start removing gel using the same larger bit. It's better if you make one smooth move, from up to down to the tip. Don't make many short moves, or you will receive a lot of ridges on the surface. If you are right-handed, it's easy for you to work on the left side of the nail. When the gel is removed there, you need to start working on the right side. To make it comfortable, pinch the finger from the top like your fingers are a tweezer and remove the remaining material. When you remove it, move the nail bit from right to left, like you want to draw a cuticle zone with the bit. Using the e-file, you can clean the cuticle zone very good, and there will be no need to use a nail file a lot. However, you may need a buffing sponge file to work on the areas where it wasn't possible to reach with the e-file, but those zones are minimal. So using the e-file, you work faster and keep the customer nails safe. Subscribe to my channel and become a pro with Mosaic Professionals.